Hi guys, in today's video I am so excited because I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy right here. This is the Neewer ring light, which I got in the mail about a week ago, and I've been saving for this unboxing video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this ring light, setting it up, and testing it out. If you're new here to my channel, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube, so if you're excited to open up this ring light with me, then please keep watching. Okay, so first of all, can we just talk about how big this thing is? This is the Neewer RL-18II LED soft ring light, which I got on Amazon. I believe I paid about $104 for it, and it's just ginormous. And we're just gonna go ahead and open this guy up. Okay, so I assume that this is a tripod, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up first. It is definitely bigger than the one I have currently, which is a little overwhelming, but we'll work with it and see how it goes. Okay. Alright, so pieces. There were quite a few videos on YouTube on how to set this guy up because I don't think that it came with instructions on how to do that, so I watched them and I probably should have been paying more attention, but we'll figure it out as we go along. Okay, so this looks just like it is just a mount for your camera, and then I think, I'm pretty sure that it goes like this. Yeah, see? That is something that I learned from watching YouTube videos. Okay, so we have this stand here, and it has this, another contraption right here. And I did get a case to go with it. I was a little bit on the fence about getting a case, especially because I know I'm not going to be traveling with it, although I guess you never know. I mean, not right now while we're here sheltered in place, but for the future. And I am glad that I did get this case because they looked really bulky when I looked at them online on Amazon. But this is actually not that bad. It's actually very slim. You can see the profile right here. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like one of those big CD cases from the 90s when we actually used to buy CDs. It's got a nice strap right here, so when you do go traveling with it, you have that. It has these two handles right here. It does feel pretty well made. And here is the ring light right here, and it's got some adjustment knobs right here and an on and off switch right here. It does have that mount here that's for your camera, and it does have a plug thing right here. Okay. And it comes with your plug. Yes, oh my gosh. So I was actually getting pretty nervous when I didn't see a phone mount, but here it is. What else? Basically just says thank you for your purchase. See if there's anything else. There's a remote control, which is really nice. And that's it. So all of that fits in there. And let's just go ahead and see if we can figure out how to set this up. So I've already gone ahead, and as you can see, I've assembled the tripod. So we're gonna untighten this piece right here, and we're gonna place this right on here. And I don't actually know if this is the right way to do it. I'm not going to put it in the video if it's not the right way to do it. I don't think that's the right way you do it. I don't actually know. And that looks like it works. Okay, so this piece goes on top of here, and you have to make sure that it's all the way unscrewed because otherwise you can see that it has that screw in there. Yes, see? So you have to make sure that this is all the way out. Then this is going to go on here. Then we're going to go ahead and put this right here and just screw this on. Or maybe we're not going to screw it on, maybe we're just going to tighten this. I'm actually going to bring this down so that you can see what I'm doing. Yep. We'll adjust that later. But for now, we gotta figure out how to put the phone on this right here. So you have this thing right here, and it looks like this is going to go into this mount thing right here. So we're gonna go ahead and slide that in there. No, maybe not that way. Maybe this way. It's awfully loose. So with it being loose, that just is, I mean, that can be good, right? Okay. I guess it seems to kind of lean forward a bit, so maybe it won't slide off. And then you're going to, I think I'm totally doing this wrong. So this I definitely know how to do. So this is your phone mount, and this is the screw. This is gonna go right on top of this screw. Okay, like so. So it's on the screw, and now you're gonna go like this. No, that's not. Oh, okay. So it's like a ball shoe or whatever, I don't know, but you can see right here that it has the ability to just swing forward like that. And then you're gonna put it in here like that. And then that's where it goes. It looks pretty good so far. We're going to go ahead and test this out. Okay, so I went ahead and I set everything up. I put my phone on the tripod, and I definitely feel like I need to figure out how to make my phone so that it's not so wobbly on the tripod, because for some reason it still wobbles around a little bit. So I'm going to be doing that later. I did go ahead and plug in the ring light. Just for reference, the lighting that I have currently is I have a light up here and then I have a light over here. So just so that you're aware of the lighting that I'm currently working with. And so what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna go ahead and turn this little guy on. Okay, and it's definitely bright. Let me just take a look really quickly and see what setting this is on. So this is on sort of like a mid-range setting right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it down a little bit and see how that goes. I feel like it's still a little bit too bright. And I think that's pretty good actually. So it's not too bright and it's not blinding me. That was definitely one of the things that I was a little bit worried about when I purchased this was, you know, I've seen the reviews and everything just looks so super bright and I'm just like, well, if I have my phone there and I'm looking at my phone, am I gonna be blinded by this light? Certainly hope not, and this is definitely not the case. So this is probably on a lower setting. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it all the way down so you can see what the lowest setting looks like. Oh, and that's off. This is the lowest setting. So this actually looks pretty good too with my current lighting and everything. I am gonna go ahead and put it to the highest setting really quickly, and then I'm just gonna bring you right back down because I don't wanna be too blinded. That's going to be your brightest setting. There is also a setting where you can change the temperature of the light, and I'm going to show that to you right now. So this is going from a more fluorescent light to more of like an orange light, and I really don't think I'm going to be using this that much. I prefer sort of like the more LED, like fluorescent light. That's a little bit more like daytime. So I'm just going to change that back. I'm actually going to turn off all of the lights that I have right now, just so that I can get a good sense of what it looks like when I have no other lights happening in here. So again, right now we are on the lowest setting. I'm going to go ahead and turn my lamp off right there and then up there as well. Okay, and so this is what it would look like on the lowest setting. I am going to go ahead and turn you up a little bit. This is pretty much what it would look like if you were in pure blackness, no other external lights, and just your ring light. And I think right now you're probably on a mid-range setting. The colors are just very crisp, very clean, very sharp. The light is hurting my eyes a little bit, so I am going to go ahead and turn my lamp and my other lamp on so that way I can lower the brightness a little bit. We'll do that right now. Okay, so went ahead and did that, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring the brightness down a little bit. I am really happy and really excited with what this looks like. The setup is a little bit ridiculous. I mean, I am in a very small office right now that already has a desk and obviously a couch and just another bookshelf and not a lot of space right here. And so this does definitely take up a good amount of space because it's right in between that desk and the couch. But, you know, I think it's worth it. Overall, I am really happy with this purchase. I'm excited to just continue using it and just kind of test things out and see how I like it. The price point wasn't super pricey, but it also wasn't cheap. So I was a little bit hesitant for a while to purchase this, especially because I'm new to YouTube and just doing this for a hobby right now and to get me through this shelter in place. But just in looking at it, I am really happy with the quality of the video and the quality of the lighting and just overall really excited about this purchase. Even though this is only the first time that I've used it, I would definitely recommend it. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. If you'd like to see some of the other videos that I have here on my channel, I am going to go ahead and leave a link to a playlist for you right here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!